This is just a little quick tutorial on how to have a floating ring or box for your aquarium to house your plants, to keep them away from the outflow from one of your hang-on backs or canisters or anything like that. Simple 1/4 inch RO tubing, 90-degree elbows, and suction cups if you want to keep the floating ring or square or rectangle in place. So just connect your 90 degrees to each section. It's pretty simple. It's not too expensive either, and I've found that it works quite nicely, as I'll show you in one of my new tanks that I recently set up. But I have my tubing already straightened out. Regular tubing, it'll be kind of curved like this. So what I do is I use a heat source or soak it in hot water and then manipulate it to get it straight to how you want it. And that's how you'll see mine looks nice and straight. But once that's all completed, then you can put little clips on it on either side, wherever you need a clip to help hold it in place. But this project's pretty easy to do. You can make it to the size that fits perfectly in your aquarium, to where once the water's to a certain height, this won't move at all. But if it does move, of course, you've got your little suction cups. And it's not an expensive build. I'll put all the links that I used in Amazon down in the description. So you'll just need some 90-degree elbows. I used black 1/4 inch RO tubing with 90-degree RO connectors. You don't need the little clips that hold the connectors in place, and then just a pair of scissors. It makes everything super easy to keep plants in place when doing a setup like this. I've seen other videos where they use airline tubing, but they're stuck with something circular. With using this setup, it's a little bit more rigid and it's easier to keep in place, and I think it looks nicer because you're not stuck with a circle. And then I'll show you the finished product. And then this is what the finished product looks like. You can see it's trapping my red root floater. You can see the flows coming out, but not enough to where it's moving my floater anywhere, and it's keeping it inside its nice little cage. Hope this helps everybody. Thank you.